guys, Smelling Roses here. Few things are better than a good hot cup of coffee out in the woods, and today I'm going to try to make some Arabic style coffee, American Bushcraft style. Come along, let's give it a try. I'm going to be brewing this coffee using beans from Callands Coffee, a small business located in Southern Virginia. I'm using the Southside blend. So this is going to be a spiced coffee. Not sure if you can see that there, but I have sort of a pre-mix of just a pinch of saffron, some cardamom pods, a little ginger, a little cinnamon, and some whole cloves. All right, water from the stream. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add my coffee. Should be enough. When it's just about to boil, I'm going to remove it from the heat. I don't want it to burn the coffee. I'm going to let it cook like this for maybe 10 or 15 minutes. Okay, I'm going to add my spices. Stir it. Man, that smells good, guys. So I just let the fire die down, and the coffee's just been steeping for several minutes, trying to let those grinds settle down to the bottom of the cup. All right, let's pour some. In traditional Middle Eastern hospitality, you would never fill someone's cup all the way to the top. That's sort of bad manners, and it sort of means that you want them to drink up and then get lost. A good host will just fill your cup about halfway. It means that you just want them to sip and enjoy the time. It sure smells good, guys. Let's give it a taste. Very nice. I probably could have used a little extra coffee bean, but still pretty good. The spices are just about right. As always, I really appreciate all your views and support. Thanks a lot, guys, and I'll see you on the trail.